I heard about the environmental studies program here at Pacific, and it was something that I knew that I had my heart set on ever since I was young in elementary school. I knew that I wanted to make a change. No matter how big or small, I wanted to help make a change, so that's the field that I was going to go into. Growing up, I lived in a 4-story condominium, so I had no green space. I had nothing to work with. I couldn't plant in my backyard. I had to go to my grandma's house to do it or go to school. So I've always had a green thumb. I always like to get dirty and get my hands muddy and get my hands in the ground. And I really like producing food. And so coming from Hawaii, about 85% of our food is imported, which is a very large number. And so even though it's a small change, I wanted to start with my family and help my family to produce food for our own selves so that we can decrease that number of imported goods and that we can eat fresh and local food straight from our home. So my project is a vertical garden system that I designed on SketchUp, which is a computer software system. So vertical gardening helps growers to grow as many plants as they want of all different varieties in any type of weather condition if they have the right materials. And so I came up with an A-frame design. It's basically rotating using a pulley system and a motor. I'll have LED lights that you can hook up to the system so that if you didn't have a balcony or if you didn't have a patio, you could use your system indoors. I decided to go with a design that had a water basin at the bottom, and so the rotating mechanism would rotate the planter boxes that are attached to the A-frame system in order to rotate the planter boxes through the water and then back up. And that way the plants can continuously get water. Ultimately, I want people to think my design is cool and something that they would be interested in. Even if it's not using my design, maybe something that they can do on their own, whether it's making a planter box outside of their dorm window or even in their kitchen, they could hang some plants that they could use for food, and that's what I hope it'll accomplish.